So, uh, good evening everyone, and today I'm going to show you something that every data science team struggles with, and that is what we solve in this POC. The problem is simple. Imagine your team runs 50 experiments this week in different models, different parameters, and different results. By Friday, anyone tell which model was the best, why it was chosen, what was the exact setting? Usually the answer is no, because it is lost in someone's notebook or a Slack message. So in most ML teams today, the experiment workflow look like a data science runs a model locally, prints the accuracy, they move on and try another model. Eventually they pick one, but there is no record why it was chosen. So here's what we built. We created an MLflow experiment tracker using real dataset. We use California housing dataset, which is 20,000 real houses records from California. Our goal is to predict house prices, and we did it in three different ways. This is a train.py. In this, we are using three models: linear regression, random forest, and XGBoost. And this is a requirement file. Basically, all the libraries which are needed. So basically, in the train.py, we have different functions. For example, we have load data to basically load the 20K records which are present there, and then we have various functions for each model. We are also saving, for example, ml log params, etc. We have these types of uh, log which says every hyperparameter, the accuracy, the artifacts, and the log model. Uh, if I show you, we ran this script just now. So if you saw, we ran the train.py, you can see it's loading, it load the data set, and the random forest, this is the linear regression, random forest, and HGVs. You are first training the linear regression, these are the metrics calculated, then training random forest, these are the metrics, and training the HGVs. So this is the comparison of all. You can see here, for example, the R square, it is 0.57 for the linear regression, which explains 57% of price variation outdate. This is much better. And HG boost is our winner, explain 84% of all prices variation. So, but this is just in terminal. The real power is in the MLflow recorded data. So, if I show you in this, you can see here, you can run this in. This is running on the localhost 5004, and you can see this is the XZ boost. You can see all the metrics has been recorded. Then I ran on different types of data, so all the metrics has been basically recorded, and individually all are visible. So in the business term, what we demonstrated today is the foundation of responsible AI, the ability to track, compare, and govern and reproduce ML model at scale. This matter in three different ways: speed, test using MLflow, cut model development time by 30 to 50%, less time in spreadsheet, and more time building second compliance. Industries like banking and insurance require full audit trials for ML model. So POC is this POC is a starting point. The next step would be connected into a CI/CD pipeline, so models automatically get trained, tagged, and promoted to production. So this is what we have built.